Thank you. Well, as you know, it is Movember, No Shave November. You've probably seen a lot of guys sporting facial hair, including lead singer Joe Bill Rose with his glorious mustache. Also, the chairman of the North Texas Beard Alliance, William Kane, Ruffin the Fourth, or Whisker Will, is here as well. A lot of men have stopped shaving to raise awareness for men's health. And all right, so you and I, Joe Bill, last year we talked about this. You have a legacy of facial hair in your family.
Yeah, I guess all the men in my family had mustaches growing up, and that's just a sign of being a man.
And you started when you were, what, 15? Well, as soon as you could grow it.
As soon as I could grow it. It took a good decade to start honing it down, but yeah, it's been 10 years wearing this mustache.
Now, let's be honest. The trend comes and goes for facial hair, so you just ride it out. If facial hair is in a downturn, you're still there.
Yeah, I guess the first, I've been wearing this mustache for about 10 years, and I guess the first six years I was kind of creepy. Yeah. Now, I guess the last 4 years I've been...
You'll be creepy again.
Yes, I will. Yes, I will.
It's like bell bottoms. They come and go. I get that.
Yeah.
So, Whisker Will, you're here with the North Texas Beard Alliance. I had no idea there was a Beard Alliance.
Right.
Yes, there is.
That's right.
And what is your goal? What's your mission?
Well, we started out as a group of young men who were focused on facial hair awareness and appreciation. We got involved in a lot of charity and community involvement, particularly a lot of stuff with the bicycles in Fort Worth.
Right.
For instance, this Saturday we're doing the Gear Up for Hunger, the Ride to End Childhood Hunger here in North Texas with the Great Area Food Bank. Next Saturday, or the 30th, we're doing our third annual Beard and Mustache competition where a portion of the proceeds will benefit the North Texas Prostate Cancer Coalition.
Great, which of course is what this month is all about. So over the years, you've gained, so you've had like ZZ Top, for example, has been helpful. Duck Dynasty must be helpful to the cause.
That's right.
Big thank you to that. And meantime, you guys are like the arch nemesis of the Gillette company, because if everybody starts growing beards, they're out of business.
Yes.
I would think, right?
That's right. That's right. Although Just for Men has started to back the
I noticed
beards, beards in popular culture.
The colored beards, yes. I've seen that as well. All right, yes.
Get it to curl. Do you use a curling iron to get the sides to curl?
They call that mustache magic.
Okay, mustache magic. So you use the curling iron then?
You cannot give out the mustache magic. Okay, so to learn more about the North Texas Beard Alliance, go to NorthTexasBeardAlliance.com. They're also on Twitter. Their handle is @TexasBeard. And holy moly, don't forget, November 28th at Billy Bob's for their release party at 9 p.m. And we want Holy Moly to take us to break. Thank you guys for being our Monday Daybreak band.
Stay here.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
My mustache is glorious. Girls, they adore us. Do anything for us. That's right, fellas. My mustache is glorious.
The Bloomberg Business